Hello everybody, welcome to Linux terminal tutorial. Here we will learn about basics Linux terminal commands that we need every day when we use Linux as our main operating system. You see there is some commands. We will learn about it in this video. You can just copy and paste this link and get this command from there. The link will be in the video description. Please check out. Okay, let's go into it. Just search for terminal, terminal. Okay, you will get a window like this. In Linux there are some option. You can customize your terminal. Go to edit menu and go to preference. From there, those are the shortcuts for Linux terminal. You can use those. To copy anything, you need to press Shift Ctrl C. To create new file, you need to write Shift Ctrl T. Let's take a look. Click on the terminal and Ctrl Shift T. You see there is two tabs. One is this one and another one is this one. Okay. Ctrl Shift C. This will copy, and to paste it, just right click on it and paste. Those things are copied. But we want to copy something else. Just press Ctrl C to exit from this windows. Let's see some more shortcuts. Ctrl Shift V. This is how we can pay. Can you see this? Select all is disabled. That means we can't select all by using shortcut keys. Just right click on it, it won't work. To go to full screen is you can just press F11. F11, you see this is the full screen, and you press F11 again to move into small screen, small window. Let's go to preferences once again. You can just work with those. Those are the shortcut key you need to know. Let's go to profile. Just click on this plus. You can create a profile. Enter a name for new profile. I will enter my name, Sion. Create. Is not changed. What we can do is just click here and set as default. Okay, now it will work. Just open your terminal again. This is 150 pixel terminal size. Let's change the terminal size once again. I want to delete this unnamed one. Delete this terminal. Okay, 120 pixel. Press enter and restart terminal again. Okay, this is how it's look like. Okay, go to edit preferences. We can change the custom font. We can change the font design, but I'll leave as it is. Go to colors. There we can change the color of our text. The default color will be green. That is my favorite one. This one looks better, I guess. Click on this use transparent. Let's make it transparent little bit. Okay, that's all for this terminal setup.